What's up guys, Aaron here from Orlando Harley with another bike of the week. This week we have this 2019 Road King Standard. We did the Standard to keep all chromed with that traditional Harley look. We got the 14-inch Carlini Evil 8 bars. We got all LED lighting on here. Full Stage 1 kit with an Arlen Ness Big Sucker and 36-inch Samson exhaust tuned with a TTS race tuner. We also have some drag specialties, 50-spoke wheels. We did a 21 in the front and 18 in the rear. Give it that nice West Coast look. Make sure you guys stop by and check it out with us here at Orlando Harley.